everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Lovense Lush 3 Vibrating Egg. So let's get started. So this is the Lovense Lush 3 Vibrating Egg itself. As you can see, it has a very fun bright pink colour. And this is the updated version of the Lush 2 Vibrating Egg. It's made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel amazing on your skin during use. The drawstring is flexible, meaning insertion and removal is easy. And it also has adjustable vibration speeds. You can connect this to the free Lovense app, which can be operated worldwide, create your own vibrations, or even play it along to your favourite song. It's perfect for G-spot stimulation, resulting in even more intense and deeper vibrations. The toy is also 100% waterproof. To turn on, the button is just here. Press and hold down. You will hear a little buzz. Press once more, and it's on. To change the vibrations, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To turn off, press and hold down, and it's off. It's really simple and easy to recharge using the magnetic USB charging cable provided. Simply attach the two together like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the Lovense Lush 3, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the toy after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. Also included is a luxury toy bag to pop your Lush 3 egg in. This helps to keep it discreet and easy to travel around with. And that is the Lovense Lush 3 Vibrating Egg. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.